Hi there, welcome to our second part of this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to replicate this section and this section. So let's go to the editor page. We have to take a new section here. Then we can see the padding top 30 pixel and bottom 40. So just click here this plus icon and click on padding. So the left right padding will be 10 pixel and top 13 and bottom will be 40 pixel, and this is the background color. So to add the background color we have to click on this plus icon and just select color, then paste the color code here. So now just click here and choose one row. Let's copy this text and we can see the padding 10 pixel. So just remove the margin, it will be bold. Let's see the font size. So this is the font color and the font size is 22 pixel. The line height will be 1. And for this this section, this part, let's go to the mobile view first. We can see it's 2 by 2, so we have to add 2 row here. So let's add another row and make it 2 column, and we have to add a container and add a new box. Let's add the first image. The margin top will be 10 pixel and the height will be 40 pixel. And for this one same, so just to duplicate this image and put it here. So now we can duplicate this container and bring it on the right column. Now just change the image URL. So this part is done. We have to add padding bottom here. So now it's perfect. Let's go to the next section. Now we have to add another section, and let's add padding. Left and right will be 10 and top and bottom will be 30 pixel. Now we have to add a 1 column row. Let's add this text, and you can see the font size is 14 pixel. And it will be bold. Also the padding will be 10 pixel, just the bottom padding will be 0. So let's copy the color code and the line height will be 1.4. So for this text, the font size will be 30 pixel. So let's add another paragraph and remove the margin top. It will be 30 pixel and bold. padding top will be 7 pixel. This is the color code. The line height will be 1.4. Now I have to add this text. So this is 18 pixel. The padding top will be 7 pixels, so you can duplicate this text, paste it here, and see this is 18 pixel and it will be normal. Yeah, this part is done. So now we have to add this part. So let's see the mobile view first. We can see it's 4 column in mobile, so you can add 4 row, I mean 1 row with 4 column. No, we have to add a container here. So the margin top will be 20 and we have to add total 4 box here. Now let's save these videos first. Now let's add a video and the margin will be 10 pixel. Let's upload the video. We can see the border radius is 10 pixel. So let's add a border radius here. Now we can duplicate this video. And yeah, it should be autoplay, mute and loop. So let's add the other videos. Yeah, this section is finished. So now let's add this part. So here we have to add another section. So let's add the padding first. So here we can add 1 row and 1 column. Then we have to add a container and the margin top, add a new box and it should be center align, and we have to add 15 pixel space. So now let's add the video first. We can duplicate this video. Now let's add this text, and you can see it's 30 pixels, so you can duplicate this paragraph. And it should be left aligned, and yeah, everything else is good. Let's add this paragraph. So it's 18 pixel. We can duplicate this one. And the margin top will be 10 pixel. And the padding will be 10 pixel. let's set this color. Yeah, it's done. Now let's set this part. So we have to add a container here. The margin top and left will be 10 pixel. We can make it 17 pixel. I mean, sorry, 27 pixel. So let's add the image. The margin top will be 4 pixel. We can duplicate this paragraph and make it left align. Yeah, it's done. So now we have to make this part mobile responsive. So let's check the tablet first. Make it horizontal. Also you have to make this container horizontal. Yeah, now our tablet version looks good. Let's go to the mobile view, and here we have to select the container and make it horizontal. And this container we have to make it horizontal, and it will be on tablet version 2. So now let's see the mobile view. And so you can see on the mobile view the height will be 25 pixel, and everything else will be same as the desktop version. So just to make it 25, first of all you have to click here, then make it 25 pixel. So let's repeat. You have to add we have to add margin top 20 pixel here. So just click here and make it 20. So now this part is fine, and you can see this part also fine. So now we can see the font size is 24 pixel. So just to make it 24, and we can see for this text it's same as desktop, so it looks good. Now we have to move this video under this headline. So we have to duplicate this video, then hide it on mobile. Then select this video, and for this video you have to make hide on desktop and tablet. Now let's move it under the headline. This part is fine.